Hi, hello, does your child likes to draw? In this episode, we will show you how to animate a drawing. Let us bring children's drawings to life by animating characters to move around. We only have specific drawings that can be animated, and these are the drawings with the head, body, hands, and feet. We will show you how to do it. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified if we have new videos like this. First, let us draw a character with a head, body, hands, and feet. Second, take a picture or scan it and put it on the computer. Then, open a web browser and go to this link. We will put the link in the video description. This platform is from Meta AI Research, which also owns Facebook. Let's hit Get Started. Then upload photo. Then next. Then agree. Then adjust a selection for your photo. Then next. If your character's body parts are not highlighted, use the pen and eraser tools to fix it. Then next. Here are the joints of your character. We can adjust them to apply to the joints of our character. Then next. That's where our character moves. We can also choose different motions of our character. If we want to download the animated character we've created, just click on the full screen icon. Then open the three dots. Then select Download. Our animated character has been downloaded. The downloaded file is a video format, but we can convert it to PNG to remove the white background so that it can be placed on websites and PowerPoint presentations. I hope you learned from this episode. If this episode helped you and you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified if we have new videos like this. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Goodbye.